Crackly caramel, silky chocolate, pillowy fried dough. These donuts don't mess around. And yes, they're totally doable at home. Let me show you how. Let's get started with the dough. In a bowl, add your instant yeast, sugar, salt, and flour. Mix that around, then pour in warm milk to activate. Add some softened butter and give that egg a cheeky crack. Dust your surface with flour and bring your batter together until it forms a nice smooth dough ball. It should feel soft and stretchy, but not sticky. Go ahead and cover it up and let it rise for about an hour while we work on our cocoa magic, preparing a silky smooth chocolate filling. Heat your cream until it's warm, then drop in your pre-portioned dark chocolate and sugar and give it a mix. Add your egg yolk, vanilla, and then give it some love, stirring until smooth and silky. Pop it in the fridge to chill, and let's check on our dough. Let's give our surface another quick dusting and get that dough out. Grab your rolling pin and let's work it. We want to roll the dough to about 1.5 centimeters thick before cutting out your rounds. Use a cookie cutter and place the cutouts on a tray or sheets of baking paper. While they rise, get your oil hot to about 175 and fry each of these beautiful little clouds for about 2 minutes per side until golden brown and irresistible. Let them cool on a rack so they stay light and crisp. Time for the drama, caramel. Add sugar and a splash of water to a pan and let it bubble away. Don't stir, just swirl until it's golden and smells like toffee dreams. Now carefully spoon or dip the top of the donuts into the caramel. It'll harden fast into that perfect crackly shell. They should come out glistening just like glass. Let's take things up a notch. We're going to pump your crispy, glossy donuts with this velvety chocolate cream. Grab a piping bag, poke a little hole in each donut, and fill them up until the chocolate is just oozing out. Go big! And that's all, folks. Warm, crisp, creamy, and dramatic in all the right ways. Serve them fresh and listen for that sugar snap. These are donuts worth frying for.